Hello again. I'm now is in this building. I forgot how it is in English. As is usual, I forgot a lot of words. So we store the firewood. So hailberry, something like that. But the main idea of this place, you can hide this and try to catch some birds from this hiding. I wanna put some food on these trees and try to capture it. If I will be luckily, I will have a nice shot. Yeah. As you can see, I am already installed my camera with tripod, and now I bring the food to this branch. Some great kids already there. It's really a little bit failed. I'm almost hours there. There's no birds on my trap, photo trap, of course. If you can see on this branch, I can get some food, but they didn't know about this. We need some advertisement to get them know that food fly here. But unfortunately, I have a lot of photo squirrel. The great is coming and already eat this food, and I have several photos and short video with them. You know, guys, I decided to change some position because after one case nobody came to my trap, so I returned on the other way, the other side of this area, and captured woodpecker and took several photos of Eurasian jay. But I'm not give up. Important information. I do not edit any photos and sort what I took there. So today evening I'll start it. Oh, I finally sorted all photos from 2 memory cards. So tomorrow I can start to edit some of them.